let's turn it back to the original color, which is
Wow!
yay! Okay. Now get the motorcycle.
The motorcycle one?
Yeah. Wow, what color is that, David?
Green.
Green. Uh-oh, that's not green. What color is that?
Green.
Purple.
Purple.
And put it on the other one. This one. To see what color it is. Okay. Purple. I like it. What color is that? Black. What color is it gonna be? Blue. Okay, say bye. Bye, guys.
Did you have fun? Huh? Did you have fun?
Bye.
Bye-bye, Caylee.